who would dare attack or use racial slurs at a judge? Could a person be so flippant about serious crimes of heavy assault and still use cuss words before a judge that could offer you a bond? Why would any sane person go out of their way to extend their jail time? Join us as we take a look at the top 5 most shocking courtroom outbursts. Number 5. Adam Satterley. Right here in Jefferson Circuit Court in Louisville, Kentucky.
This is the matter of Adam Satterley.
Is the 36-year-old Adam Satterley. Satterley is in court today on a bond hearing related to drug charges. He was complicit in the manufacturing of meth. He is now appearing before the circuit judge, Olu Stevens.
Your objections notice overruled. Motion's granted.
The judge says, along with some other comments that he made off camera. Satterley's attorney warns his client to stay calm after hearing the bad news.
Taking into custody.
Then Satterley made this utterance loud and clear.
Seems to get it, thanks.
But then...
Miss Albee, before you go, I mean the sheriff, right? Can you indulge me one second?
Yes, sir, of course.
Can you knock on the door and tell the sheriff to bring Mr. Who's that guy? Satterley? Bring him back. You just tell the sheriff to bring him back. Oh, Brad, you still have Satterley?
I do.
You bring him back.
Back out?
I apologize, just give me 1 minute. It won't even take that.
It seems that the judge has some unfinished business with Satterley. Adam Satterley is brought back into the courtroom, and Judge Olu Stevens asks,
Is there something that you wish to say to me?
No, it was my brother.
Oh, was that to your brother?
Yes,
Because I
sir.
heard you say a racial epithet.
No, I didn't mean it like that.
Oh, you didn't mean it like
No.
that? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court for having said that. And you don't speak those words in here.
Yes,
and
sir.
that word particularly,
Yes,
you
sir.
don't use that word. I'm going to give you 60 days for having used that word. Hold you in contempt right now for having done it in this courtroom. It's disrespectful. Don't ever do it again. Thank you, Sheriff. Thank you, Ms. Albee. Appreciate it.
Satterley is hit with an additional 60 days for contempt of court. Following the incident, Judge Stevens offered Satterley an opportunity. If Satterley apologized for using a racial slur, he would reduce the additional sentence to just a day. Satterley took the judge up on his offer.
Yes, sir. I apologize. It wasn't intended for you. I was mad at my brother, is all it was.
Well, you can have a seat. I'll say this, that what you said was a racial epithet that I don't know how it could be directed at your brother, but at any rate, I accept your apology.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now that's a class act and an example for us from the judge. Number 4, Alan McCarthy. We head down to Daytona Beach, Florida, where an unusual call comes to the Volusia County Sheriff's Office.
Communications, Warhurst.
Yeah, I want to report a crime that's about to happen.
What do you mean a crime that's about to happen?
Yeah, there's about to be a crime that's going to happen if my kids don't come back to me, you stupid because your stupid judges don't want to bring people to courtrooms. I got a gun pointed at your building.
Sir, what is going on?
Who the you calling, sir, you stupid? Where's your judge warrant at? You going to bring that out in handcuffs and I'm going to execute that son of a right in the street. I'm letting you know I'm going to shoot this. You done it with my kids.
Where are you at, sir?
I just told you I'm outside of her building waiting for her to get there in the morning. I'm going to pop a cap in that. You stupid.
Not long after, detectives identify the anonymous caller and track him down. Ellen McCarthy is arrested and charged with making death threats against a judge whom he mistakenly believes took his children away in a child custody case. Now, a year later, in front of a different judge, his trial begins.
Back on the record, Mr. McCarty, President. He's under oath from the start of the trial. No, I'm not. I'm not under oath. I'm not under oath. That's your bad finger. I didn't appreciate it. So you're going to threaten me like you did the other day? Threaten you to participate here.
No, you threatened my life the other day. I am not under oath. This is being done unconstitutionally. Y'all took my kids.
It is clear that McCarthy has not put his tantrums away.
Your answers wasn't good enough.
He decides he will stay for witness testimony, but is ordered out after continuing with his outbursts. McCarthy is eventually found guilty. He returns the following month for sentencing.
Everyone ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, State of Florida versus Alan McCarty Jr., who is present here today on two reasons. One is to sentence on a jury verdict that had been accepted in the
What a bunch of lies, you stupid piece of.
Then also
You threatened my life.
back room.
Resistance. I'm not resisting. I'm just not standing up.
And once again, the man is removed from the courtroom. This time, he is placed in a back room with a one-way mirror.
Count one, I'm going to adjudicate him guilty, sentence him to 15 years in Florida State Prison.
McCarthy is currently serving his sentence in a Florida state prison. So long, McCarthy.